it's me, Fluffy Kawaii Jo, but have you ever seen me in Gothic Lolita? This is a first, I guess. I think I actually like it very much. Anyways, this is for me telling you about the starter pack. I'm starting a new project. I want to do a Lolita starter pack, meaning that you will have everything for one coordinate and very good basics that you could reuse for other coordinates in the future. But if you're just starting, it's so hard to know where to buy. Is it affordable? Is it ETA? Is it a replica? And I want to take all that guesswork out of buying your first Lolita coordinate, and I want to offer you the Lolita starter pack. So this is the Gothic, at least black one that I started. In the future, I cannot guarantee it will be the exact same items because I cannot stock up on all sizes and stock like that, but it will be something similar, and when we have different stocks, we will update that on the website. And so for now, this is this, and I have just the one I'm trying out. So if this works, I will probably offer more, and if it doesn't work, I will probably hide this video so you won't find it. But if you're interested, go in the link in the description in the store and you will be able to buy this kit. And it's difficult to find all the sizes, all the different colors and everything, so I think I will definitely do one in black and one for sweet that will have white basics that you could use with a lot of different dresses, but the dress will be pink in this one, but the blouse, the socks, the headbow, everything will be white, and so that you will be able to use it with many different sweet dresses. And for Gothic it's easier for black, or you can use that for other styles too, but it has a little bit of goth effects on these. But yeah, it could be used for also Sweet Lolita. If you want to do black Sweet Lolita, why not? This is just to help you start out. I realized that having shoes in stock will be very difficult, so I decided to not offer shoes as part of my pack, but I will give you links of shoes that I recommend on places where it's easy to buy, affordable to buy, and also where I can make a small margin because I have an affiliate link. So I will, in all listings, I will have everything but the shoes, but also suggestions where to buy shoes for your colors and your size and everything. So I hope that this will help. And here's what you will find in the starter pack. There will be a headdress or headbow, something for your head, a necklace, wrist cuffs, a blouse, or if it's no P, just the dress with the blouse, and you will have a petticoat and some bloomers and socks. So this is the perfect thing to start out. You will only have to get maybe different dresses and you can already do different coordinates, but with all that you can already mix and match with very few dresses and you don't have to look for all the specific things everywhere. So I hope that helps, and if you have any feedback on what you would want to see or not see or whatever, leave it in the comments, and please go check out the starter pack on my store, and I hope that will help you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!